Hi guys, the batteries arrived. The resellers of this Narada batteries only sells in a set of 4. So I guess it's not issues. I could still make use of the 3 left to do some other projects. Or maybe buy another one more for to make a 12-volt system. Same capacity but maybe different dimension because I can't find the same dimensions. So first off, this looks like that. Looks like this. They are all brand new, and I tested it 3.6 volts. All are 3.6 volts. I guess the resellers have charged them up. So right now I give you guys the dimensions first. So for people with similar batteries, you know. So width-wise 130 cm, 5 inch and something. Yeah. Height 145. Then the depth 3.5 cm. So right now I'm going to remove all these screws and the covers and see how I'm going to do it. Maybe I put the 4 in, the new one 4 goes in here, then took out the 4 used one and one have to throw away. So save your time. We'll take it out first. I've removed the BMS, the 2 hanging plates on the side, both sides, and the back covers. So this is how the battery. This is the bottom. This is the bottom where they cross over the bus bar, and this is the front. Let me turn it over. This is the front where the negative. This is a negative and a positive. I've taped it previously. So this is the battery that's having a problem, but there's a belt going. This is plastic. There's the string tight belt. 2, one more at the bottom there, the green one. Right now I already foresee certain issues. The batteries, when I line up, this is about 1 cm, maybe 1.2 cm longer. So let's see how to do this. There's enough space, well enough space for everything to fit in. The depth is about the same, maybe 1 mm less. 1 mm less, as you can see. Maybe one. They are the same. Basically, they are the same. So, and this is welded. This is the wrong cell. This is welded. Probably I have to remove this whole itself first. Then see how to remove this welds. The welding. Remove this welding. So I'll have to cut this off first. Cut this off. Of course, I'll have to take pictures on the colors, the wire coloring, and maybe label them also, so that I could wire them back properly. Okay. Okay guys, I removed the bus bar behind. This is the crossover, the whole bus bar behind here. And this piece is just an angle bar. Angle bar goes in between here and screw down this way. So it is locking the batteries in. So after this is removed, they have actually tape it down. I believe it is tape it down. So what I'm thinking is I will have to gently heat up the metal plate, transfer some heat to let the double tape to release these batteries this side. So probably I have to stand it up, then heat it. It will take some time to release this whole set of batteries. So this is what I noticed: 3.2 volts, 160 watt hours, and there's a code. This is what I tape it from the positive side. Tape it up from the positive side. So now, first this two is unlinked already. It's unlinked. So I will have to heat up and get that lot come out. Probably I might replace the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 as a set. So this I make it use of other projects, and that 4 together goes in, because there's no point having one piece coming up. Maxwell 4 straight. That will be a better solutions. Okay. I cut off these 2 strips, tie-in strips. This one later I will remove it. The other one I have remove it. Then remove the screw. This plate was originally here, and there's a screw in here. Because of these 2 tabs, I have to bend it up a bit, then remove this plate. So now the next step is probably they are welded in. Because they are welded in, I think I'll have to heat this up first, then see how do I slide the whole heat, because this side having a problem. Heat it up to disconnect. Let me change the angle first. Hit this tab up, then disconnect it. But since this is a spoil cells, I think I'm okay to hit the cells directly, but not these 2 cells. Then try to pry it off. When this 4 is disconnected, then I'll try to remove it from the sticker behind. That sticker behind. So hi guys, I've hitting doesn't really work. It's this is welded plate. So I just shaft the flathead screwdriver and slowly pry it off. This is aluminium, so it could be pried off. Then it tears, and slowly you just have to go slow and slowly tears off. So this 4 cells is now disconnected. The 8 cells, the whole 8 cells is disconnected. So now I'm thinking how to remove that. Hey, lucky. It's only 2 strips of the double tape. 2 strips. So I hold the back plate, then push it this way. Slide out in a rotation method to release 1, then slowly release all the 4. So the 4 batteries been released. So now I'm going to have something to stack it up here, then turn it this side, then unscrew the tabs, the balancing leads tabs. Then we'll consider how to do it the next step, how that goes in. I removed the batteries and all the sensors and these leads. Unfortunately, this tab broke off, so I'm going to see the clamp it and remove it from this tab. You see This one is where the leads is to screw on, but this one just tear off. This is supposed to have a screw poster, but now it's here. It become here, which is alright lah. I didn't break any cables wiring, so this is fully removed. Then let's see how the new batteries goes in. So I've got to reorganize the cables a bit first, away from the post, then see how the battery goes in. Probably, let me see, try one now. Okay, no issues, only having this a bit off. No issues, should be no issues. So let's see when I found I have some spares bus bar, copper bus bar to do these connections, and this battery separator I removed from the old one, got a place in between this. Then this will goes in, but how I think this hole can match this. Then I'll have to see. I'll do the bus bar first here, then the whole set moves in, then see how, find a way to clamp all these sensors to this, so the BMS will work. So see you guys later, much later, because this takes some time already. Guys, I made these tabs 1, 2, 3, 4, and pre-mount them. This is just to test out the fitting. How I did it: plate, scissors, as guesstimate the length, cut it, and use pliers or the clamp it one end, then use the sockets, then drill it. Of course, before drill it, get a marking. This is the busted. It's a busted drill bits. I use this to do. You see, I can do markings. Then punch so that punch a small dent so that the drill bits is easy to start. Busted. This is a busted one. So after drilling, there will be some edges that's not flat and all that. Then just hammer it, then start mounting all these things. And I go and disassemble them. The inserts is already in, the battery sensors in between them is already in. So I can mount exactly like this, because I take it out. This one is a busted one. So this way will goes in here. Okay, this is a battery separator. So next I'll be mounting one by one. I can't mount it as a lot, because I got this cables going in. It will be just clamped in between here, not going through any holes or what. I did not make any holes for this because I don't have anything to like the screw post. These screw posts, I don't have anything to mount it, so probably just clamp it between here. Since this whole battery is enclosed, I don't see big issues. So I'll fit it in first, then show you guys. Right, guys, put it in already. So I have no choice but to bend this a bit and break the round contacts there, the tabs there, and force screw it in. I try to show that, but doesn't make sense. Anyway, the pack going to flow about 17 amps only, so it's a try lah. I'll try somehow lah. I think it should be okay. May have a heat up over here. So, but I couldn't. I'm not keen to put out these new tabs. Because these have to be broken. So if it's broken, then how I gotta have a welding machine to weld it, which is this is a good cell. I'm not going to weld it. So let me test it first these few days. Test the battery, see does it heat up or not. So this is all I connected back. It takes some time, sir. It takes some time to connect it back. And especially this is a sensor, temperature sensor, and the balancing wire leads. So this one, luckily, I keep it longer, so it mounts to this last spacer. The batteries is apparently about 1 mm more thick together when it's fit. So I have to bend this a bit out to shove the battery inwards. Then I can mount these screws. So now I'm gonna test the voltage on this side first. Everything links up, then I'll mount the negative the bus bar that side. Then I'll test the leads. After testing the leads, everything is okay. Then I'll mount the BMS. I mount the plate. I check the voltage first on this side. Then I mount the bus bar and check both voltage and the balancing cables. It's all okay. So now I'm plugging in. Since today is late, and I'll check whether the charge status whether it's match my now currently full batteries or near. The batteries must be near the battery voltage. So then I might tie it in with the system, or I might not. I might need to wait for the next day. So right now is just the positive and negative leads. Gonna tie in these 2 points. Which is pretty easy. Then I'll know whether it works or doesn't work. Now the voltage is 55 volts, which is considered charged. I might tie it in first. Let me see how. So I tied it in, and it's a good news. Fully charged and ready. So I'm gonna have a final blowout, clean it, then screw only this plate, the top cover. I'm not gonna screw it in, and because I want to understand this point, will it be hot? So I'll test this for a few days before I put in the last cover. So wait a moment. Hi guys, after a long day I connected it. Seems the voltage is not very much different, so I gotta leave it like this. No, just this, the cover will just be placed on top but not screwed in, and leave it like this because I want to know the temperature difference of this point and these batteries, how they performs now with a slightly different new and old. Apparently it's still charging, it's running, everything works fine. So I have to monitor a few weeks. That will be the next video. Thank you guys, bye bye.